Background music helps to make video much more engaging. No matter what kinds of video you're making, music improves atmosphere, arouse emotions, and also impress all your viewers. The good news is, these are all free and convenient. So how exactly you add music to your video? Let's have a look. First, import your video. If you don't have it, get the link in the description below and choose the right version for your computer. Once you got your file, drag and drop to the timeline. Then, click the music icon, and here you can pick free songs in different categories. Once you've found a song that you like, click the plus icon, and you can then move and trim audio track as you want. By all these steps, congratulations! You've added music to video successfully. Could it be easier? For this example, let's assume that there will be narration in the video, and we want to make sure that the music is not too loud so we can hear the narration clearly. To adjust the volume, double-click the audio track, and you will see the adjustment sliders for volume in the editing window panel. Also, there are additional options for adjusting audio. For example, adding a fade-out at the end of your video to make the ending less abrupt. Once you're happy with the music you've added to your YouTube video, don't forget to click Export. Alright, I hope today's video can solve your problem. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video editing tutorials. Thank you for your support, and see you.